Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to share report on your Slack channel. All you have to do is open up your Slack account. As you can see, I've already opened up my conversation. All you have to do is just click on this plus icon. You can upload from Canvas, recent file, or upload from your computer as well. All you have to do is click on the specific file in your device that you want to share. Just click on this open and click on the caption. As you can see, I have already uploaded my sales data, and if you want to share this particular report on anyone else in your Slack, just hover your mouse and here you will find this forward message. Just click on it. You can type any person that you want to share with. I'm gonna file with any person, or you can send this file in any particular channel as well. Here you will find several channels that you are already connected with, and see this has been sent to this specific channel. This is how you can share your report on your Slack. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section. Hope you all see in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.